Hello! Welcome back to Tasket channel. Thank you for watching. Today we have a very simple video. We're gonna try to wash my helmet with these two products and see how it comes out. So stay tuned and let's go for it. Okay guys, so here we are with these two products. One from Motul. There you go, Motul. This is from MC Care Motul. It's a helmet and visor clean. It's a spray. And then the popular Rain X, which is an anti water repellent. It's a water repellent. Those are the two products that we have. Then we're gonna use a towel, of course, so we don't mess our place, our table. And then we have two cloths, microfiber cloths, this one and two. The first thing we're gonna do is take the visor away from the helmet. So most of the helmets, you know, you have, oops, okay, just take everything out from the helmet. Lo utilizas y lo quitamos, vale. Pues ya, so we have the visor out. That's the visor out. So we have the helmet. Here's the helmet. As you can see, is quite dirty. Quite dirty. Has a lot of dirt around. First thing we're gonna do is use the Motul. First thing we're gonna apply is the helmet visor clean from Motul. See how it works. So we're just gonna shake it, baby, shake it. All right, and then just wash it. Just spray it. Okay. Smells funny, like another cleaning product. Okay, and with the cloth, we just try to rub it off. Let's see how it comes out. Okay. Just wait for it to clean. Actually, it's starting to be okay already. Not bad. So we're just gonna give it another go. And let's see, with this one is thinner, so the other one was thicker. The other cloth is thicker, so the thinner works much better to spread it out and then to clean. It actually works pretty nicely. See, this is the good thing about the towel here underneath the helmet, so you don't scratch the helmet. It's always in a soft surface. Lo que podemos hacer, what we can do is with one towel, we just hold the helmet down, and with the other towel, just wash it. So you don't stick your hands. See, if I stick my hands in there, you see, you leave your fingertips in there, your fingerprints and everything, and it gets dirty. So here on the top it was pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna give it another go. Simple as that. It's pretty nice, easy. Okay, you just have to make sure that the front is clean, because that's the front that we touch the most, this part over here. So well, don't give it a go now, another go. Look at that. Look at that. This is really nice. This is really nice. Okay. The helmet is really nice. Actually, the color went back to its initial stage. Looks like new. The next thing what we're gonna do is to wash our visor. So same thing, one helmet and one towel in one hand. Now we wash it, we rub it hard. Now the back part, on the inside, we do the same thing. Okay. Now, always see, the towel is very important because you lay down the visor and it doesn't scratch. If you don't have a towel, maybe the table, the rough surface can actually scratch your visor, and we don't want that to happen. As you can see, the trick is very simple. Always two towels, one way, two ways. Just keep rubbing until everything is clean and shiny. Looks pretty clean, huh? Look at that. Really shiny. Really shiny, yeah. This is actually works pretty nicely, actually. What we're gonna do is apply the Rain-X. The Rain-X, we're gonna apply the Rain-X. It's the thing you have to do is to shake it properly. The best thing to apply this thing is to put it in the visor and use paper cloth, because this is pretty sticky. We're gonna take a towel, and the best thing is just to give it a go like this and wash it, and spray it with the paper towel. It smells strong. This is our visor, all clean, shiny, no residue, no streaks of anything. Looks wonderful. Now the problem is how we're gonna put it in the helmet without messing up our work. So we take the two towels, nice and clean. All right, so I guess this with the, like always, see, okay, we're gonna put the hands like that. We're gonna cover the helmet with the towel. Okay. Okay, see, this is the mechanism here, like this. Okay, hold on, where is the mechanism? Oh, here. Okay, so, alright. Now we have one. Move the system, the leverage, there you go. So it seems like it's good and dandy. There you go. Alright, so let's give it a go. Huh? Over here like that. Very clean. Show you the front. On the side and the back. So it turned out to be pretty nicely. Pretty nice, clean. Alright. So our helmet is clean. Thanks to these two products. The Motul Helmet Visor and Clean and Rain-X. So we're gonna stick the helmet in the bag without getting dirty again. So there you go.